Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn down to the ground. If it's the first time watching this channel, please do subscribe. You know what I mean? As we go along, thanks for the support, you know what I mean? And we do need good people in the world. So we're highlighting some bad people. Don't be like these people that do bad. Because in the end, you get what you work for. Let's go.
Take it up, take it up, take it up. Curious King. We all have a problem. JAMMIWOOD. Check it up, check it up, check it up. Solve the problem. It's not right, it's not right. It's not right, not right. You love one more than how you love the other. You beat one because of issue you got with the father. You beat her with belt, sometime you fight her. You box her, you kick her because you not like her. Many times she go to bed without food because you was spite her. You love one more than how you love the other. You don't see the tears in the evil one eyes. All you see the tears in the good one when she cries. I don't like it. She gonna be successful now. She's gonna be successful now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. She's gonna be successful somehow. She's gonna be successful somehow. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. Now the table of turns. I guess in this life you live and you learn. Watch the bridges them while you burn. Please, my dear, please wait your turn. You're a wicked, wicked, wicked woman. You're a wicked, wicked, wicked woman. You can't use somebody fat fry your own daughter. No, no, you can't do that to her. She deserves something better.
Hello, Barbie. Yeah, man, morning. Guess what, girl? Remember I told you that I'm gonna run away this morning? I'm actually start my journey. You understand? So, may I head somewhere? I'm not even sure about. You understand? But just, I'll be fine though. And I'll keep in contact with you. Alright, girl? And thanks for the good change you gave me last night because I really appreciate it. Thank you, girl. Alright, later.
Okay, where really are you?
Yes, I'm here run away. I tell nobody do it now. Come on, I stay in love talk. I tell nobody. Understand me, don't just away from taxi how long I can't get me ride.
You can't live life in your yard and run away.
Listen, I could not live good life when I run away. That makes sense. For information, may I go through whole heap of things over house. Who does me I live life? Don't judge a book by the cover. May I go through LD right now. Me sometimes, let you to know food to eat. I feel wash people clothes I'm not even aware. Maltreatment, disrespect day and night. You understand? Now my father plays, my father dead and gone. So thou shalt not judge. Don't judge me and say me I live good life. Let's call a good life? Huh? Let you to know food to eat. Disrespect from my own mother who birthed me. You don't understand, sir. Mind your own business. They don't understand. Alright, man.
But me a come, General. Look here. Me never see you.
Better. See, I'm lying here and if you will live longer.
Yeah, there you go. You go suit your sorrow.
I try to hear one. Drive good, ride good.
You gonna make you wash my clothes then? Sure. Huh? Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh. Oi. But only this man, you know. No, my clothes are washed. You can't wash my clothes. No, my clothes. No, just wait and go. Yeah, me see if me them wash first. I might one day. Just come now, yeah. You can wash your own clothes. Make it go wash. Why you not wash it? Just come now, girl. I might clothes. Okay. How can they? Come on, close it. Can you read? No, my mom can't read. You must be kind of. I know for read either, but try.
Dear Sister Brittany, Mom and Sister Alia, this letter is to inform you all that I have had enough in this house that is supposed to be my home. Sorry to say, but know for sure, you all can be happy without me, as I am this ever black sheep in the family. God know why. It's a pity that Dad died, cause trust me, my life would have been so much better. Imagine that I have to cope with so much bitterness, hatred, abuse, and disrespect ever since Dad left us. Anyways, I'm now gone to a place closer to heaven, and I pray hell won't find me. I love you all wholeheartedly. Bye for now, K.
Oh, clothes I go wash. You can wash. You think, just try it. Try it. Try it. You say if I give me them, you come find me like garbage in. I wash them. I call mommy too. Don't chat to me. She answer her phone. Mommy. Yeah. Me said we wake up this morning, right? And me say me a grown a cave if she was so close for me her. Aliyah, we grown there now, we don't see no sign of cave. We only see one note on the bed. She talk about how she run away and she this and she that. We only see one note on the bed. We chat about she a run away, she now come back and one bag or something. Yeah. Right now my clothes them more for wash and the girl gone. Yeah, that me I tell you. Alright then, later. Wow. 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 Girl, wash, yes. Me have 2 pieces of wash out for me too, so me bring them come. But the bright. What the wash? You can wash? Can you wash?
Hello? Yes, cause morning. I reach the place now. I want to shop where it's a fashion show on the door. I think I it, man. So I'm gonna come through the lane now, but watch the dog them, you know. Coming down on a dog bite, me understand? Yeah, man, I'm glad to say someone must come by your place, come stay for some time. I understand, I really appreciate that. Thank you, my cousin. You are the best. You understand? Because I was like next to homeless. Alright, girl, I'm so forward. You hear me? Thanks again. Alright, cool.
Yeah, that me I tell you my daughter missing, me no know where she gone. Okay, me attack. Yeah. Me don't know which part she gone, no care how me look for her. Everywhere me look, me can't find her. Me just don't know what else to do right now. She just missing. Yeah, man. Alright, cool.
Right, true. You just have snap down your place, so girl. You know some name Snap Queen was talking about. For now, coming out of your business, but wow.
But anyways, oh yeah, that the boy that they go on such person.
Oh, you talk puppy, my boopsie. We're good. Good if good with all the cuss and them things to like first time.
Well, you're lucky still. Me prefer stay single, yeah? Man, not gonna know where right now.
For you.
So girl, where your mother there a long time? I don't see her neither, you know.
She at work now, so if you understand that, she's working.
Yeah, good thing that. Good thing.
So now after my sister them too.
Yeah, how your sister them?
Not sister them, sister. Alia.
So want to take care of your sister too?
Okay. Well, we wake up one morning, we go in her room, she not there around there. And me never run, she run away. A long time when I hear from her still. I don't know if she dead or she alive. So, but that's say I want sister me have. Cause she not like me and me not like her.
Okay, persist.
Yeah. It's boring though.
Boring fun. Why is that calling me now?
Listen on man.
I don't know, man.
Oh.
My brother. Yo. Come fake him, I don't know my best friend.
That's which one?
Brittany.
How much best friend I have? How much best friend I have?
Aye.
Hello. May I fight? How much best friend I have?
Girl, I must you.
That's it so. Whoa, which one? So I'm the only best friend I'm supposed to have.
Yeah, you're the only best friend I have.
Rihanna,
Yo,
are you spotted there?
see me here. Yeah. Oh, yeah, go to my house.
Something left over there, side me and go for.
Oh, make sure I don't carry money in my place.
Don't carry money in
Don't
my
carry money in my place. A joke now, make forward. I'm making it best friend. Bestie, meet my brother.
Hi,
Brother, this is my bestie. Bestie, this is my brother.
Alright, so yeah, sis, me I go get them over here and I'll go on the road. So later.
Okay, I'll bring my key phone, give me.
Alright.
Yeah.
So, no, it's a class.
Nothing business, they tell us something about to go over yard.
I think I'm no. Hi, bestie, my brother. Brother is my bestie. What name?
Xavier.
Okay. Well, I can tell you my name later on.
Oh, pardon.
So, like you win a lotto, sir. So
So when I choose to buy this vehicle, when I buy one big vehicle, I fancy one.
Alright, let me say something to you now. You see, humbleness is what carries you to the earth. I was always a humble person. I mean, now because I'm money more show off and too fancy and too this and too that. So this is a good vehicle. I'm finding good and it work. I just work with it. I'm not too fussy. You understand?
So we see, I go start change up your clothes them now.
No, I'm not gonna dash away my old clothes. I'm gonna wear them until they're old. And when them done, I get some new clothes. I'm not gonna be like Mr. Show Off.
And I show off it just to uplift your life, enjoy like a life.
Does my clothes show upliftment?
Yes, it does.
I don't think so. I don't think clothes show upliftment. You know what show upliftment? Your mind and uplifting people. That's just me overall. So you know where I'm going to go there now? Where do I go there now?
I don't know. You tell me.
I am going to check a female by the name of Kay. Back then when I was broke and did have no money one day before I win the lotto, I come in at 7 lane and I stop over her yard and ask them something to eat. And the sister then laugh at me. And she's the only one give me some more breakfast in the morning and she never have much. I'm satisfied with it. And by taking the piece of bread for now, by the time I go to a standpipe, I find a piece of paper with some number on it. And then I go down further and find $100. And I say, Jam, I must send this on my way. And I just put the $100 on the ticket at the cash bar shop. And I win the lotto. And no, I win the lotto, I want to give her back something. So she may come to check if I can't find her. Because the money just clear. It takes so long. You win the money and it takes so long for them to clear it. But anyway, I'm going to give her money and make she alright. Because I don't think nobody dealer too good at the yard still. But I'm not getting involved in that day. It's up to she.
So she knows you come?
No, you know. She don't know some winning lotto or nobody. It's not everybody know that I win the lotto. She don't know some winning lotto. She knows me I come today. Only like who know, like yeah, I'm a secretary, so you need to know. How is the business going on with the plaza from 1P side?
Oh, well, then did I say them I go try discuss the money because more than one people who want it. Husband and wife. So them I go sit down and discuss how the money go.
Alright, what am I going to do? I'm going to go in there so and talk to K and give K the money and then we can get down to business. Well, talk to K and get our money, then we can get down to business because I don't want the whole life, I don't want peace side, alright? Okay. Soon come. K! K! Alright, I'm gonna go and I'm back and see if nobody on there. Yeah! I'm going to back and see if I see her.
Aye. Hello? No, this is not Mr. Fire. I remember my phone will give him.
Oh, I forgot to tell you call me about the shoot. Oh, the one there. What am I saying? My mom shaking, but I remember how and cousin them. When you think you actually cousin, you might tell me saying cousin. One yes, but you would have to move in with them. If you maybe tell my sister now moving with no man. How you do that? And beside, you have one man already if you go moving with one. Still, some of the got up on my people them. You know, if you said for a man. Take it down. Tell my life, yeah.
Yeah, good day.
How this? Who's you? Them man they walk a beg.
I'm there walk and beg the bread when the kid there.
Dog so feel okay, is not here. We are
So you
there.
come in the yard for?
No, because I'm a short time, I see nobody around there.
You couldn't turn over the flank and call.
I'm gonna walk over the song call. You know what bad man in the yard no?
Well, I'm mad. Why do you think I'm mad though?
Sir,
You walk and beg.
Sir, you're homeless, sir. We don't like people homeless coming our yard. Homeless people like you for not coming our yard.
Go on, sir.
Excuse me, Mr. Fan. Somebody's on the phone. Hold this. Come on to my yard.
Yeah, where's that going now?
Where do you? Where do you?
You don't see a lot of man.
Which Lato man?
The man with the lato.
Lato?
Who's lato?
Which Lato? Cash back Lato?
Yeah, I give him the money.
Him? Yeah. Yeah, this hungry right now, you know. Sir, nobody going away.
Yeah, man, so that goes.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, so let me take half of the plaza. I don't want the full plaza because I have one next plaza to do. Yeah, thank you. Have a nice day to you too. Yeah, bless you. Come on.
Come here, sir. Come here.
What going to say, alright?
I came to come check.
No, I'm a prank. Come
here,
here, a
sir.
prank, sorry. I sure did I make it up. Sorry, it's a prank. Hello. I'm hungry, God.
But you don't cost too much, you know.
Sir, in the white, mister. Hello, sir. Sir. Please, sir, I beg you.
Nobody go, sir. Nobody go.
Sir. Sorry, I beg you, sir. Sir, I beg you, do, sir, please.
No, you're not.
Sir, put me in there, sir.
So
we can't come?
No, you must. No. I will come back for you, girl.
Sir,
But
you
I
know
come specifically for you.
Okay.
Case if you left the money, give me, sir.
But here then.
In case you left one.
They said nobody come here. If you just anything when they can come here, if you just collect it here until she come back. Sir, I beg you, sir.
Alright, so what I'm going to do, because me have some link to the bank, give me careful name.
Careful,
So I'm going to put the money in our account.
I'm not saying the cash right name, though.
Can you hear me now?
Britney Richards is the right name.
Alright, so you're going to give me Britney Richards
Yeah, Britney Richards.
because I know how she look and she have to go down my bank to pay me money, right? Just so that she just go down
On the
there.
picture?
Yeah, she have to go to so never her name, so never her picture already come in the picture.
Did you take a picture, sir?
Yeah man, so never her
So we can do that.
No, sir. Sir,
Yeah,
me
man.
go claim me fear, sir. Me need, sir.
Wait.
No.
Let me come out of the car.
Sir, I beg you, sir.
We soon talk soon. We soon come back. You hear?
Sir, please, sir. I beg you,
No,
sir.
no said, man.
Sir,
You go walk. You go walk.
When it's gonna fight me, I beg you.
No,
No.
sit down. Go work.
Tell him to stay outside.
Never know. We have to give you this. We have to plaza. Come back.
You're not going Silence!
Man. Watch the beats of me now.
Now start with me this man here. Just because I care me, that means I don't have to take set for me. You can't take no set for me, man. Yeah, I'm supposed to wash clothes too. I'm not supposed to wash clothes, you know.
Girl, you me pull out me here.
After me the business. I don't care. Me notice a Frankie gone. Most of the things in my house and want me to do. But it not go work. Me I care two different somebody.
I have to check the little facility to make a light, you know. Over here, so you say I deal with it.
You know, say one big man out there shop them I check off and what they she like me, you know. And if you want to stick to your little girl, stick to her, see it. A big man might think they no money I make, you know.
Well, she like me and me like her, so I sense me I waste time. You see me so? stick to your big man, and me stick to my young girl. So, where say I play ball, come on?
No much, man. Anything, you know.
Alright, around 4 o'clock. 4 or 5 o'clock.
Yeah, man. When I see me 5 o'clock, just check me 6.
Oh.
And buy some new boot, you know.
Morning.
Morning.
What I did here?
No, she not there here. You know, today is Wednesday, so she gone on the road. I do some shopping and things.
Can I come in?
You can't come in, man. Come.
You don't miss me?
Of course, I miss you.
You could have called me and tell me say I wash my car too and my clothes them come.
Sure, happy with me. So yeah, so you're good.
Yeah, me alright. And worse, me safe. Oh, that just make the morning well nice. So, can I go inside go talk?
Sure.
Go on.
You can't stay long time, madam. You think of me. So you come so early? I don't put on a morning face yet. I not even look. You see me look? I don't like when I see me this away here.
Well, to be honest, I love to see you anyway, you know. Because I look forward for when me and you live in the future. Can I get up and see your natural beauty face said way, as me so. Like to see you anyway.
See, I love going for you. What on, sis?
Oh, so this is wrong I do.
What? I clean up and you come look for me.
Morning.
Morning, I'm telling you to wash two pieces of clothes, but you can't wash them, but you can roll your kiss.
Me I don't work at for nobody, so don't do it. Don't do it.
I make sure mom not come get you. I can say you're a good boy, you know. I love my sisters about one thing. My mother love money. Yeah? So try to get yourself some money. And you know this not gonna work.
I make your sister happy.
Let's look well.
Make your sister happy.
Me not hear them. Come again.
You hear what man say? You're not repeating, so.
So happy this year look.
Yes.
So I'm to money.
Yeah. I don't live my life for only, you know, I live for myself.
Like, I don't know what I'm doing now, though. You hear me, you know? You have to go wash my clothes against me. I go tell mommy, you know. I don't know why I don't know kissy.
I say your sister can.
Yeah, so she stays. She don't like seeing nobody happy.
Alright, I can't go, man. That just brought my vibes. But if anything, I can check in the evening or I call it. If your mother there here, me call out. If you're not there, I can check it.
Alright.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright.
Girl, I can't believe you. You're my sister. You're my sister, you know. And you try to find me out.
So how you imagine like a bull for?
Look at the amount of time I do things and I still not tell mommy. And you look at something that come carrying me in the house. You want to tell mommy? Understand?
Are you me can't believe because me pull out my hair from mine and I beg you wash. Oh, white shirt, I want white shirt.
Hello,
wash out for me.
me tell you this. Me not busy boy your
Just make
head.
sure.
Me not busy boy your head. Me a wash, me not wash you. Me not wash you. The hot and bright.
Just make sure you wash out it for me or mommy I go now.
Alright, things you see secret that me have here, me I will leave them then. But that you do.
Them little
Because you're not good. You're not good. Your heart black and it dirty. Thank you. You're so... What a good compliment to give me. You can see it here.
I love it, as I said, no, I love it.
I mean, I wash them, I mean it.
You go there, man.
Imagine, the youth come here. And we have a nice time around this stuff.
But let me tell you something. You know some mommy love money. And you know mommy now got approve of him.
So let me ask you a question. Am I in a relationship for?
I bet your mommy mash up it.
Mash up what?
I bet you, where I bet?
No,
Come
bet
make a
me.
bet. Come make a bet.
Me and I make no bet.
Come make a
mash
bet.
up cause me run away. Me come out of this.
But mommy I go mash up.
Mash up what? Mash up
Yeah.
ourselves. No come mash up my relationship.
Mommy I go mash up it.
I look upon you too. The fear humble. Come match on, come on, this a call interrupt. I make you gone. After two, we have a nice time on this way, you know.
So have a nice time and you want to have. More nice time than you want to have. Eh?
You see you know good.
Eh?
You know
You see
real.
the damn black?
I mean I like you. Me don't like you, me hate you.
Thank you.
Me don't like you, man. Thank you.
Girl,
You stay there.
enough people don't like me, so all I have to do is just join the line. Join the line now. Join the line.
You see you?
That's a
Few time soon come, you know. Me now while you. Few time soon come. If I want to tell mommy I go and tell him, I not care. Me not left him. And mommy can't make me left him because me not going to leave him.
Hello, me pull up here and me can bother with the yapping because me not hear nothing what you say. Me not hear nothing what you say. So I better just go on.
And just because me at the place, he said that means so if you text it for me, you know.
What is it for you?
As son you used to do to Kay. That you use and that's why
No,
she
no,
run
no.
away.
You used to help do it too.
No. That's why she run away. And that me go do to me, I go run away. What she do and hit me, I go do. No, me see what she did her face. No, me see what she did her face.
No, yes, and you would have put her through it.
Who put
Nobody
her through
would
it?
help. You were helping her.
See you? Me not afraid now what I'm put in her life. Me I tell you that. Remember me tell her that.
I'm going to take care of your man issues and I'm come out of my room.
Alright, no problem. I have to come back in your dirty room.
Papi, I have to do. Because your man have money. For that, we take.
Hello? Yes, Barbie. I came, man. What's up? Well, I'm not good enough. Girl, a pay problem. Imagine say a day when I run away. You say, okay, I'm going to go one place. Go say one of my relatives them on my father's side. You understand? It turns out, say, where I go, my cousin, man, I try come after me, warn me, touch up me. And I tell my cousin she don't believe me. She say, oh, I want her man. Her mother don't never do that to me. So I have to leave right now up on the road. I want someone to go. Someone to lay my head and get some rest. But girl, I don't know what to do. Honestly. That's why I call her right now. I can't come by you. Why say I can't come? You gotta think about it. What you say, girl? You gotta think about it? Think about it, man, and get back to me. Cause, girl, I want some of this thing. I want some of the rest of my head. I understand because things that get from bad to worse. Poverty and stress and disappointment. I don't know.
Sorry.
I'm gonna call her back. Alright, thanks.
Your face look familiar, man. Where know you from? Your face look familiar. Oh! Back in the days, I was walking down the road and beg and end up in your yard. They give me some bread to eat.
Really? I think
Yes,
you know,
remember man.
when you say them again, I think of fire raw, yeah,
Fire
fire
raw.
raw, or something fire.
Yeah, man. Me
You
see
see
man.
one?
Yeah, man.
Oh my My
No
God.
respect, man. So
You
it's,
recognize me though?
yes, and you know, say, luckily enough, when we go down at the standpipe and I drink some water and thing, we buck up on a piece of paper in the road with some number on it, and I buy the number them and win the lotto. Yeah, man, for real, like. So this platter right there now, we hold part of it, and we put off some of my money in one place. So what's going on? We have so much bag, we have a runway. Okay. But thank you for the piece of bread that they saved my life. Because we never stop moving at the right place at the right time. So what is that one for you? Know? Tell me your story, because my story is so nice like yours.
It's full of jokes, you know, from embassy. Anyways,
Yeah, alright.
anyways, I'm gonna tell you. Nonetheless, I'm gonna tell you. You understand? It turns out, say, where I was staying with my family, my siblings and my mother, there was very abusive. So it turns out, say, me run away far, and I'm not to stay right now. I stopped down at my cousin's place, and I'm gonna touch me up and I say, may I tell lie, not go so on. I'm back at excitement and drama when you understand? Right now, I want somewhere to stay, somewhere to lay my head on.
Don't say a word more, man. You don't have to explain too much details to me. You should just like I was at the right place at the right time. No, you're at the right place at the right time too. Because if me tell you someone with money, that means you have money. So don't worry about it. What more you to do? What you do? You have education?
Yeah.
I'm going to make you get more education by education. I'm going to send you to school. I'm going to interest you in step of yourself, right? So one thing I say to you though, let this be a lesson though. You see the good way though, then it's going to be paid back full. But what you do though, keep your head for your body and make sure so when somebody has come and want help, you give them help. Because it must be a chain event. Good has to always overcome evil. So all of the bad times they go through, we'll make it better. To starters, I go give you a house for yourself. Because I have like 9 houses now. Because I real money win a lot of. I'm going to do good investment with the money. So I'm going to give one of the house them because you do good when you never have to take your last food and give me. So I'm going to bless you. Right?
You're joking?
No, I'm not, I don't run joke. You don't smell laughing. So you're laughing. So it's good. Be happy.
Praise
You're at the
Lord.
right place. You're at the right place at the right time.
Amen.
All the things in this year?
That 1 year and that 1 year, sir.
Come on. Come on.
She gonna be successful now. She's gonna be successful now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. She's gonna be successful somehow. She's gonna be successful somehow. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. Now the table of turning.
Hello? Hello?
Yo,
What, Pri?
when I'm a dog, they get one white man from Friday night. Yeah, one white man, he say one young girl, you see me?
Oh.
He just one day, he just linking feed here, one fast $500 US right there, so if you're up to it.
Well, me not up to it now, but me try to get somebody.
What I mean, but post a you man want.
Me say me try to get somebody.
Alright.
Alright. Me link you back. Sis! Guess what, girl? You know some of my friend then just linked me. I said, well, white man or one girl. You know some of my friend then just linked me though. And they say one white man want one girl for 1 day. And a 500 USA willing to spend on a girl. Or give more gay girl. So me I say if you're interested in that job.
No, girl, I'm mad. I'm interested in them or something there.
Girl, enough money I get no girl. You're gonna be hungry.
Let me stop. I'm not busy. I'm not around nobody for no money.
Alright, I'm gonna leave my friend.
You know, go on. Yeah, your friend.
The red eye friend have the 500 US are you having?
Tell her if you know. It's when your friend go. When your friend come back, tell her if you split up the money for you and her. Because I use set up her for the man.
That's true.
Simple as that.
That's true. Alright, I'm gonna link her. Girl, enough money I get in a girl.
You look like me care.
That's
No
crazy.
business.
You're fooling her?
Me say me not interested
Girl,
and me just not interested. Why you no go on?
Girl, you might know what me and you want.
Like them say man no want you and me want.
Somebody tick him a look for.
Never mind. What my business here?
You see, I go regret it.
Me no
You're there
business.
hungry.
You know me starve. Me not
Alright.
gonna nobody for no money. Right.
Alright. Oi! Bagwan.
There,
You know, see,
I clean up.
I work me a fair do. See, I work me a fair do.
Yeah, what kind of work that now?
Alright, well, one white man wants somebody for one day, one girl, and he willing to pay 500 US. Yeah. So, me say you would be the right person because me can't go there because me must say my mother strict, me can't go to the yard, and me have a boyfriend. So you would be the right person because you're single.
So, when did it happen?
Right now, what the fuck am I call the girl? Yes, me get somebody. So we say now, which part she fi come? Where location? Alright. May I bring her the same spot which part to tell me? Alright. Alright then. Alright, come on. Yes,
Me,
me.
me, clean up my house first.
Girl, just let it place on the place and come on, come on. Alright, let's wait. I'm gonna fall back later, you leave me.
Alright. Hello? Yeah, me just reach home.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, found.
Alright.
What one?
There, I know.
See, I probably give me a thing what time when we make.
Girl, I come back and waste my time go because nothing at all no go on. Me didn't know me not leave my place. She didn't even know he born me out.
So what you mean? You alright, you good though? You good?
Yeah, man.
Alright, now there's a bathroom. Let me so far.
Yo.
Yo, wiper.
Yo.
What? The girl get no money?
What you mean, man? You could ask that. Of course, you get money.
They hold the girl at him session like.
Yo, I lie. Yo, me I get for me sure to girl. Please set up a link.
Jesus Christ. So how much money she get so? She get extra
Yo.
money?
Yeah, you get seven bills in get cause of 5 bills the man did say about give and the man say we ain't like him. He give one tip, give $200 tip. So 7 bills in all.
Jesus Christ. Alright, let's say 40. Let's say 40.
Yeah, me I tell say me I get for me share out the two cause man I want and me I tell say man have money, you know.
Alright. Let's say no more. Say no more.
Alright.
Use the bathroom. Hey, you walk me so far. Come and give a massage. Feel me make a waste your time. Come on, he's up now.
That's I'm looking
You can't massage. As a friend. As a friend, let me give a massage here. Hey, where your money, girl? What do you do? Dead. Can't tell me say I get no. I do the money. How should I do the money? How much money for that day?
Rihanna! Rihanna. Where you come now, Rihanna? Rihanna.
Rihanna! How about that song?
My sister dead.
Dead? What you mean? Me and her just there talk this morning.
I don't know what happened.
Rihanna. No, this can't real. Me don't make a God do. This can't real. I want my tears and look for me, so. Rihanna, no, Jack. God help me. Rihanna, may I beg you, please wake up, please.
So why you so sad?
Alright.
Wow, you and the man left already?
That's all the thing about man. Me not chat about no man. Just not have me, just not feel good. You're no good mood.
Oh, my apologies. What is the man?
And yours are mine. You know, don't chat to me.
And make your man left you.
So come. Hello?
Good morning, honey.
Good morning.
Where are you with?
I'm there, I'm good.
Where are you with?
I'm there, good.
Yeah, man. Where your schedule set for today?
Yeah, you can forward.
I wonder if I could have do me here for me, please.
I tell you.
Alright, give me next 20 minutes.
Alright. When I send for my phone, don't touch me.
Hello, so where money there?
So you don't get paid? How may I get paid for no my man? I'm one of the man head for your problem, I your business.
You never get at you with $5 before,
don't worry yourself. When me I get to you, no know.
Me have to know, because I know everything. You don't miss me enough. I'm gonna get something to drink, yeah?
I'm not gonna do myself. One of them man know why you.
Brittany!
Oi!
Come here. Okay.
Oh,
go on. Looks so nice, my morning.
What is it?
So I find what you do understand people, but anytime they be free, then I feel like a man on me I come to you, isn't it? Yeah, I find what they still, I mean I see, isn't it, be like a half and thing, isn't it? But the anytime they be free to tell it, but can't tell you now because more mature, isn't it?
Since I see you like me long time, why you never tell me? You wait till me gone now in a relationship. Anyways, I can't go talk long because my boyfriend soon come. Because I'm doing here. So, therefore go on. You should have told me that long time. Now gone in a relationship and by the time I had to, my time it's too late. Therefore go on now because he soon come.
Today you are going to that motor fast. You can pump on the side and
Look here, I don't want a relationship. I don't keep no bone. I don't no man
I understand you say. I understand you say. But what if your boyfriend cheat on you?
Well, that's different. If you need a cheat now, I would have left him because I'm not telling no man will cheat on me. You're crazy. Go on. Well, that's different. If you need a cheat now, I would have left him. Maybe I would have a chance to deal with me. But I don't want a relationship now. So
alright then, that's it. Alright then. Later, yeah?
Later, bye.
Because you know, look beautiful.
You look nice, man.
Thank you.
So I'm gonna see your sister from man, the squash it.
I don't know. To tell you the truth, wake up in the morning and none of we no see her. Mommy gone a country all over the place she look for her. No, she can't find her. You know what you say? I tell she run away.
Why? The friendness still far. Where you come from, still?
I don't know that.
From your primary school.
Go to it. Don't go this one.
I will still have the band. I like to hear still, I like to like. I mean, I go and see now.
Bobby.
Yo!
What?
Asha?
Yeah, looking for clean.
Yeah, man, look clean up, treat Christmas.
Because when you say one of the things you come and still to link your podcast more, I did that good thing to still.
Alright.
You know what I'm saying? Kinda like my girl on the road, but she have a man, isn't it? But me tell the girl, say, what if your man a cheap and he say, when I left him, I maybe would have a child, you have to more do. You know me a talk to you, good man now, so me can get the girl.
No problem, I long time. No problem, I long time. I tell myself to get one girl, you know. So if cook by the cook and I let you have to do, no problem, because I'm up to it. You must have a girl at Christmas time now. You know why you're single. She look good?
A nice girl, me I tell you. If I would come to you, if you do this. I want a nice girl, me I tell you, because if I don't want a nice girl, I would come here and do this after me. I want a nice girl, me I tell you, man. She's nice.
Oh, better?
Yeah, so I want that in my life. Not to this about time, understand me? Come here to you to make you help me with this. If you can't do it.
Yeah, man, better. Of course.
You funny in my glass.
Of course, because I can't do it. Let me say, me and family, no man. Yeah, man, I understand what I'm
doing.
And now I'm a prayer, man. No, so I'm coming and go, yes, sir.
Alright. Well.
I like it?
Yeah. Thank you. Where you say I go on now? No, go home now and wash up. Alright, love you.
Love you more.
Alright. No man, come over here. Here?
Hello. Yeah, you left out now. You can't meet him on the road. Oh, look, no. Alright.
Hello.
Hi.
I see you cute. Oh my god.
Why you do that?
I'm can't move in I like a man.
Yeah, me like come on, but I already have someone.
No, don't do that. Any girl you have to go dash them because of me.
Man, me woman can't see.
Me like this silly boy. Come here now.
Come on.
Come here now.
Which where you come from?
Where my mom come from? Right, don't get ready to say never see me yet.
No, I first may I see it.
I see you're nice, you mix.
Yeah. Thanks, but you're not here playing at me here like that.
We
Me
can't
know
give
I'm a
number.
girlfriend. Eh?
Give me a number. Me like
We
you.
only can be friends. If you don't look me not give me number.
I see you come like a teddy bear.
Come
nice,
on.
see? Oh my god. Give me a number now.
Don't
Hello, me
text
no look
me.
money now. Just give me your number. Me no look money now. But me just say you look nice and I could have passed you. Want the number.
As I tell you, I can give it, but you can't text me and they look me because me have a give it.
Give me it.
799
799.
27
Yeah, 27.
58.
58.
Can't save it as Puppy then.
No, me I save it as sweetheart. Come
mean,
on,
they-
for your woman. You hear that? Wow.
Just calm down now.
What you going up
B, calm down now. I don't know like what you think. B! I don't know like that, B.
Don't touch me.
I don't know like that.
Want your girlfriend now? Let me go.
B, come here now. I don't know like what you think.
Let me go. God, this is up here. Go and turn off your woman about. Go and your woman now. Hey. Go and your woman man. We done.
Brittany.
Okay.
There.
We don't want to know.
Can't come in, guys, or not.
Alright, come in.
So, no.
Come to face me.
No, say I come for you have a reason to still. Alright. Remember what day when I tell me, say, we link up on the same thing, and you tell me, say, if you catch him a cheat, more have a chance.
Get you a cheat, my man.
Yeah, they have a chance. But you catch him a cheat one day, so we come back, you know, what is what.
And?
We come back, you know, what is what.
Look here. Me forgive him because I still don't know not where they take place. He not even know the girl. Is it? So me forgive him. So you can go on. Well, tell the truth. Sorry for waste of time. And
See, I tell me, say, I waste my time come over here, so.
I guess so.
Alright, then anything else is still, so. Later.
You go for sale.
Hello. Barbie. Boy, I don't know, say mission fail. Yeah, me I tell you, say, I go back to him because remember the same thing I make you do. I go back to her and she make me know say you forgive me. See me? So here more you have to do for me. You see any nice late girl I see on the road, I don't want no more girl, I want big woman. So any other big woman, any big woman I see, just give them my number. Cause I waste my time go over here and you want to tell me what I don't want to hear. So here I buy one new chip, but I go buy a phone. But I stop use the chip here. So I go give you a number for the new chip to give whoever interested. Ready? 210-4657. Alright. Because I go dash you this phone here. And the chip. So here I can link you. Here. Alright.
Sister.
Brother? Why are you here?
You know I said you don't know where I live. Don't know not pretty at all, you know.
Okay.
From other day I admire the house, you know. You understand? So I always see it lonely, nobody know too really over here. So I say I come over here come check some food, you know.
How interesting is that? Well, guess what? This is my house. My house. You want to know the full facts? Someone assisted me back. A good Samaritan. Are you shocked? Where are you?
I'm not shocked, I'm panicked.
I always said to you that nothing lasts forever. Things must change. I was suffering at home and God gave me assistance. God brought help to my rescue. Do you understand?
But I never treat you bad, I didn't find it.
Yes, but so you're still a thief then? Me catch you. This is your house?
But in my dreams, stay in my dreams.
What?
But in my dreams, stay in my dreams. Now stop your thief until I'm dead.
Your funeral is one funeral that I will never attend. Never! You need to stop it, man. Raj, why you being so Raj? From ever since you're thief and can't stop thief. Eh?
Because when I grow up, never nobody forgive me nothing. Because I never respond to me.
Anyways. Why you say hungry?
I want some food.
You don't understand. Get up. Food you want? Food I shall get. Walk with me downstairs. This is the way. Follow me. Walk up now.
So walk up.
And Raj, you need to stop the stealing. You need to stop because today I could have killed you, you know?
That's it.
For invading my privacy and this is my property. You need to be more careful because I could have murdered you. Just like that. And you're my brother.
That's why you have to look before you leak. You can't just leak something. Not look.
Anyways, come. Come, man. Raj. So actually I have some soup. Do you drink soup?
What kind of soup? Chicken soup.
Chicken foot soup. Yes, it is.
Not chicken back soup.
I said chicken foot.
Yeah, me drink some. More, man.
Wash up the plate.
So now big up here today.
Boy, you're gluttonous from ever since.
I'm one of the food now.
Just take some. Because you know that I love my food.
From me, I grew up. You know you love the food. I'm going to say stop me for my hand for one dumpling, you know.
I did what?
You don't remember?
Anyways, the past is in the past. We have grown now, you understand?
You stop there.
It's in the pepper, but I don't think of any bottle of pepper here. This is your house.
No, pepper now look for.
You can't look for things like that. You want this?
No, man, the pepper don't look old.
Alright, come on out then. How it taste?
One look pepper do it. One look salt kind of fresh.
Alright.
You feed up here.
Don't worry, just have a seat right here. Oh boy. So what's up, brother?
Well, I'm there. I got you a tough life, you know.
Really?
Tough life, tough and rough and bitter and saggy.
Well, that's just life. Well, that's just life. Persons have to go through hardship to reach to where they really want to go, as in happiness and success. So just take it slowly. Okay?
If you remember, say, some of the people are rich, you know. Some of them born in a gold spoon. So some of them have got a rough life like how me I got a rough life, you see?
You think so?
Me I tell her that.
Okay. Growing up for me was never easy. Never easy. Living with my mom from I lost my dad is just hardship. Maltreatment, pressure, you understand, disrespect, disappointment, embarrassment. It has been hard for me. But I always tell myself that things have to get better. You understand? Things have to get better. My treatment there was like I was living near hellfire. It's like I want to go to heaven, but hell is preventing me. That's how I felt at the time, brother. It wasn't easy, but I push. I trust God, understand? And I display humanity. Help persons as much as I can.
In a real life, man.
You understand? So what I want for you now is just to take it easy.
What you mean? Take it easy. Remember, you know, I don't have nobody to feed me, you know. Every night I have to go up there. Rob, stick up people, broke shop, run out from police and bad man. So what you want me to do?
Does that help, brother? Does that help?
Well, that
Does crime and violence help? Does that help, brother? Does crime and violence help? That's why Jamaica can't better, because persons and your thinking poor mentality. You can't be thinking about doing that because you're undergoing, let's say, disappointment or things are not turning the way you want it to be. You honestly need counseling. You need assistance. I'm willing to assist you, brother. But first, you have to promise me, say, okay, sis, I'm willing to change. I'm willing to adjust myself. Because I can assist you financially. What about a business? Do you want to start a business? Anything you want?
What kind of business?
Anything you want to start, I'll assist you. with the startup capital. You understand? I'm not sure though.
Wait. Hey, man, what kind of business? Business, no business before pleasure, but differently though. If me not rob, me not eat, you know. So me have to rob, but me can't eat.
I understand, but this thing needs to stop. There is a solution to whatever problem you're facing. Okay, brother. I'll assist you with whatever business, but first, do you have any documents?
No, me each paper alone. Something on an idea on tearing.
Well, I can assist you with that. And from there, I can like open an account for you where I can lodge you some money. You understand? Things will be better.
Account?
Yes, I can. Just finish up your soup. I have this with me. Since you just hop up on me, this is what I can actually give you. Just go and roll it, you understand? Put it in your pocket.
Thanks. Some love your sister.
I love you more.
And the top thief.
Anyways, brother, this is just $1,000. Use it to help yourself for now.
Yeah, man.
You understand? I'll send you some money ASAP. Alright?
Yeah, man, thanks. I love you. Yeah, God bless you.
So as I don't eat, you're gone.
Oh, man, God bless you for everything you do for me. God bless you.
No, I'll walk with you outside. Oh my God. When will you change, Raj?
Yeah, I know, man. Christian, I can do it. Christian.
Oh, I'm so tired.
Miss K,
Who is that?
project data.
Okay, cool. The grill is open, so just come.
Okay.
Alright?
Good evening, Miss K.
Hi, good evening. Have a seat.
Good evening, Miss K.
Hi, good evening. Have a seat. Well, can I trust you?
Yes, Miss K.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okie dokie. Well, guess what? This is 25,000. Hold on to it. Give this to your mom to assist with medication, get herself some food and stuff like that. Okay?
Yes.
And please ensure that she's eating and resting. She's a good employee and she deserves the best. Sounds cool.
Fine.
Alright. You ready to leave now?
Yes.
Alright. Come.
$25,000. Me not even have nothing can buy a little juice. Me not even have nothing can buy a little juice. Sake of them blasted. Brittany! Come here and tell Alias me call her too. Boy, oh boy.
Yes, mommy.
Hey, you sit down there, sir. Who put that towel there, so?
How my towel?
I'm my towel. I saw a full of attitude to you, see.
Where your money?
Give you which money? I say, can make me and fear go use up all of this money and say, can you war over man? What kind of friggin' man on the day war over here? Pop people, pit in the hand.
Mommy and she first started. Me see her up there. I play my boyfriend here. I'm a cheat pan my next one too. So me do something about it.
Mommy,
I tell him long time say feel the call work this boy, but he not here matter about love this and love that. Leave him alone.
You hear you? You see all you? You come talk about boyfriend this and boyfriend that. Where the boyfriend they now? Eh? When they? The boyfriend have money for go pay for the broke the girl hand where you broke? Eh? Eh?
No.
Where boyfriend then?
I'm running away.
I saw me treat you now, I saw me grow no. Eh? For the road about to not fight over man. Eh? Where boyfriend then? One little money when me get from foreign now, we not go eat.
Mommy not fi give her no money, can use the money I feed we. Hey, just give me one liquor. Give me money.
If you ever.
Mommy not so we live, Mommy.
Alia, you tell me say you behave same way like a child here.
So when I get her money, when me go eat, me not busy about Brittany, me only care about myself and you.
So you come grab you want money. You are come about you want money.
I'm broke a girl hand.
Oh, you better care about me too.
You know so me have to care about your money.
But we don't know where we are going to eat now. Because the little girl come for the money. You not see your time hard with me.
But when I take your money go get her, when me eat, me not.
So cool. Where you going to people in your hand?
You can't really ask that, bro. You know, see my hand ban up, man.
I know say your hand ban up, yes. But I don't understand why you're going
This sweet girl. Yeah, because she broke my hand.
Your hand broke with you?
I think I joke.
Hush no. But how you manage to make a girl break your hand? Me tell you to do one simple something, you know?
Because my mom and the girl big and chopped, you know. They expect me to do. Fight him.
So you see girl I could run.
Me a bad girl, me not run from girl.
And you still make a girl beat you up. What kind of bad girl are you?
Don't worry about my broke and me I get money, boy. And me sue them. A big money, me sue them too, you know. But then I get none. Cause you should have give me money too.
Oh, if I never me, you will get.
My come and call go up a girl yeah, because me sue them and them say them rather give me the money than go to jail. Someone you did it as witness.
Alright then, come on then.
Well, me not know when I go eat you know. Because Barbie, if we come for your money anytime now. You hear me I tell you?
So how much money have you?
I don't know yet, bro.
Yeah, may I wait for you to say you go on? So not.
Miss Betty!
Man, shut up yourself.
Miss Betty! I'm so Miss Betty!
Yeah?
Come here, mom.
May I come there?
Shut up. Just give me 3,000 out of
3,000 links.
Calm down, man.
Yes, my baby.
Yes, me come for your money, mom.
It look like I say I run me down for little money, so.
I'm not running down, but I know some other at me and me have medical bills to pay, so I want the money.
A long time I know your mother, you know. Long time, because we grew up as little pitney and run up and down about the place, so. Me can't take problem, you know. Yeah, you just run me down for little money, so I have so much money at that too. You can't just cut it down little.
Huh. Mommy?
Yeah.
Don't give her no money.
Don't
give her no money. Make she go on her ways. Don't give her no money.
Give me money before I go back to the station and come back to the courthouse, you know. Because this time, I'm not going to no chances. A straight jail, me I send you, you know.
Who you send God jail?
Your daughter?
Who you that boy you going to send me pitney God jail?
You can't send me God no jail.
Oi! Stop in nice and go in our house.
For me, I help
because see, you look money when me get from foreign now. See, because you may have to go take you give people bo hand. Stop in nice and go in there, so.
You see, mommy?
You see me, you see me?
Kiss you, man. I tell you, like, you girl no money.
I said to shut up and go in.
Good man. Alright, here.
One little money, girl, you can't just cut down the money now. Remember, say me and your mother grew up together. You can't cut down little money.
No, me can't cut it down.
I thought, boy, you go carry people go jail, lock up people and then something there.
Come please, man.
Sorry, people can't sorry for no. I make sure you count it from time because I don't want you to go out the road and go say, I never give you a whole lot of money.
Give me the rest of the money, ma'am.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Alright, don't drag no money from your mother never teach your manners.
Thank you, Miss Betty. Thank you. I'm should have said thanks because your daughter broke my hand.
So what you mean by you never did for say thanks because her daughter broke it? I notice you look a pitney. Nowadays pitney, you see you look a red king pitney. You see you look a red king pitney and you have no manners. You don't have no manners and that's why pitney pop your blasted hand. I have to take all of my last little shilling car come give you. The amount of order. How was she there too? Brittany!
Let's see. Yeah.
Just because you see the girl go say
I should have me broke.
True.
Stop playing me, come here, do you the same thing? No,
You know you can't do it.
If it's on the first
Set your foot, bud.
Mommy.
Set. Girl. Set.
This is
Set your foot, bud.
This is set me foot, let me set me foot.
You know what kind of law you just think that
Go on for me, man. You not shoot me for.
Oi, you know about the law?
Mommy, you know about the law, mommy?
You ever ask me about it, me know about it. You didn't really ask me about if me know about law. Eh? Assault the people.
Mommy, I don't love you, Harry.
Assault the people, them
So
people.
why you lick me?
What you mean why me I lick you?
You forget it too.
Eh? You told me forget. Yo, you think I give me one give that the little money that me have a while ago? Eh?
So,
Eh? When me ever get free for buy food? Eh?
you can't go on the road and hustle
You
some
can't go on the road and hustle. Eh? You're blinking man that if you can't find money and give to nobody. See there you put your yourself in a problem. Shut up about your swingle. Swingle. You don't even know if you call word about swingle. See there, a good educated one who make run gone left the yard. No care how me I look for her, me can't find her, say how you know. All you two over there, so you see you.
You see my run.
Shut up! Because you're always there closer to me and a chat. I only make me have to give away all my money now. When me I go use to buy food and cook? Eh?
Yeah, stress.
K so educated more than Uno. Uno never stop. Listen me.
Yeah, stress me, mommy, don't stop me.
Me I stress you.
Yeah.
K educated more than Uno two. Uno two we can't even wash good, cook good, clean good. K more educated than the whole of Uno. You see? Watch her.
Liquor, mommy, liquor.
K more educated than Uno to make it pitney run gone. Eh? And me I look for her, me can't find her. Me don't know what me I go do like a work me I forgot look. I forgot come out and go look work again. Leave me something alone, Pitney. Look what you doing so far. You do what?
Why bridge don't get enough money?
Now which bridge you tell me about garbage? What you tell me for go do? Sell catches. You fry sir. What you tell me for go do? About garbage.
Hey girl! Hi!
What's up?
Yeah. I'm here. I know I'm tired, we're tired. So, you said you're going on the road, right?
Yes.
So, you're going...
I have a client, I have a meeting with a client.
Oh.
So, I want to speak with you.
Want to speak with you?
Yes. Okay, that's what you call it. Alright. Okay, so this is a big house. Yeah. The house wants to clean, but majority of the times I'm busy. My husband is not here, he's overseas, and I need someone to take care of the house for me. Someone wants a position, but I won't be able to interview the person, so it's impossible to do that for me in my behalf. No problem. Someone who's hardworking, devoted, and willing to get the task done. The person must like cleanliness, because I don't like mess. I know The that. person must can cook and love my belly. You know that from high school days, right? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, so just interview the person Okay. and just get back to me. Alright. Once the person seems to be qualified, you just hire the person maybe. Yeah, so must can cook because I love my belly. You know that from high school days.
Of course, know that.
Okay, and make sure that the person is qualified enough, is suitable enough for this position.
Yeah, I know what you like, so no, yeah, go for it.
You're my best friend, and I trust you.
You can always trust me.
Okay?
Yeah.
And ensure that the person need a job, not want a job. I need someone who's willing to stay to do a living position.
Okay.
Because majority of the times I'm busy.
I know that, but
I'm busy. Parliament is stressing me. My God.
so what time are you leaving?
5 minutes time from now.
Okay, 5 minutes. So I
Anything
guess
to drink?
No, I'm
Not
okay. I
thirsty?
can get myself drinks and stuff.
You sure? Okay.
Yeah.
I look nice though.
Oh, you look nice.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is so weird.
Why?
Eh?
You're not used to me?
Yeah, I'm used to it.
But
But anyways, yeah. Like, you know, it's my first time, like, representing for you, like, you know?
because
So-
I respect you and I know that you can get the task done.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, I'll try my best.
Someone who is sensible, mature, respectful,
Yeah, and you know, I know how to find that. So,
God-fearing, because I'm a Christian, right? Must be God-fearing.
alright.
Close the grill.
Of course.
Right. Friends.
Alright. Be safe now.
Thank you, darling.
Okay. Oh, it's easier. This is what I'm looking for. Hello. Good evening. Good evening. How can I help you? Miss Mackenzie is here?
Actually, she's not here at the moment.
Okay. You know, as one of my friends tell me, so I really need a help out here. Something man, may I ask if I could fill that position? You know.
But I can help you with that. She's my best friend, so I can help you with that. She been longing for a maid or something like that to cook her stuff, because she don't like doing it and stuff like that. I know what she's looking for, so I can just...
Yeah, because, you know, me used to work at the hotel them as a chef.
I can help you.
And I'm very good at cooking and cleaning and so forth, so...
Sounds good to me, but I have to try it out first. So you can just come in and just see what you can do and see what you got here.
Alright, yes ma'am, thank you.
Okay. You have a seat over there.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you can go over there and sit.
Okay, thank you.
So, where are you from?
You know, I'm from Sava. I'm from Sava.
Okay. Actually, I'm not the one who should be asking you these questions, but when she's here, she can answer that, all of that. But she can make you go and do what you have to do. Besides, I'm not the one who's going to pay you anything, as she won everything, so yeah, she will do that. So
she gonna go deal with some business, like probably she get one meeting or something. So when she forward back, you have to go talk to her.
Alright, no problem. So where do I start?
Over here, let's go. Alright, this is the kitchen.
Okay.
You know, that's the stove, you know, that everything. So the fridge, the food and stuff in there where you can cook. Which I think I can get started now because she's very greedy.
Alright.
And because when she come back she's gonna be very famished. She go hungry bad.
Yeah.
So we can prepare something now.
My all was something real nice. Cause as I tell them I have the whole hotel experience and stuff.
Alright, we believe in it.
Yeah.
Alright, so
yeah, man.
do what you have to do.
Alright. I didn't get your name. What's your name?
Oh, my name is Britannia.
Britannia.
But they can call me Britannia.
Alright, nice meeting you, Britannia.
Nice meeting you as well.
Gonna cook up a storm.
Okay.
Alright.
That sounds good.
Yes.
Alright, I'm gonna call her though.
Okay. Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
My baby.
Yes?
Me get through with the job, you know.
You get through?
Yeah. So here what happen now? Me no want you to go back go to the people them shop go trust nothing. You hear?
Alright, so I want me to go over to you now.
No man, no bother with that. Me I go talk to the boss and see if me can borrow money from her. Yeah?
Come over here.
Oi.
I want female boss employer. Come here, you say she.
Baby, me not hear you. Talk up.
You say, I want she, a female boss employer.
Yeah, you know, say I saw me here say I want female at the boss. So, but me come here and me not see her. So, me I go and wait till me see her and see if me can borrow a little change from her. You hear me, baby? So nobody go to the shop. Go trust nothing.
Oh, so like I want big house in the door, kind of echo.
Yes, my dear, I want big elephant house. Rotted. Girl, it big your fat.
Alright then, just go and go cook and chop some food for me too.
Alright, me see what me can do, my baby. Love you, yeah?
Alright, mom, okay.
Alright.
Oh my God.
Interesting.
Hi, good evening. You're the one that got interviewed today? Miss?
Yeah, yes.
My mother? My mother? Where they are?
Okay. And you're hostess?
Where they are?
Are you hostess, Kay?
My mother? Where they are?
Wait, Lord Jesus. I work here. Are you hostess, Kay? I'm from here.
So where they are?
I come here because one of my friends tell me said them one lady up here needs somebody for work, so I just come on.
Which is me.
So you're host. Oh God!
Data, don't do that. When I wanted you to hug me, did you hug me? No, you hear me resent me, but no. Hey, my daughter, don't do that.
Okay, please.
I told you that I must overcome, and now you're here today for a job at my place.
Please,
unfortunately.
Forgive me.
Unfortunately.
Forgive me, my baby.
Forgive Daddy.
Forgive Daddy. Alright, forgive me for everything, my daughter. Please, may I beg you. Forgive me. Okay?
No, wait. I know how it go. So why you here? Why you need a job or you want a job? Talk up. What's wrong?
I need a job, your sister them. I need to feed them and something. Nothing now go on for me, okay? Please, my daughter, forgive me. May I beg you, please? Please, just forgive me, please. Okay, please, may I beg you?
Stop, yeah, I know me now. The forgiveness part, I'm not sure about that. I'm not Jesus, but we'll think about it, we'll pray about it. Come leave.
Please, may I
come leave!
Hey, may I beg you, please, my people, them hungry.
So, come leave, man. It don't matter. I didn't need you. You never love me.
But you have me now.
My other husband. Me need him. Me need children. Me don't need you. Come out.
You need me, Ken. Forgive me.
Me don't need you.
You can't just run me out.
No, me don't need you. Me need money. Me don't need you. Get out of my house. Come out of my house, lady. Go love and this and that and whatever. But forgiveness.
You really are true.
Look how me didn't love you. I still love you, but come out still.
Cook something real nice.
No, me can cook. Although my lazy, that I'm busy, me can cook. We'll get somebody. We'll think about it still, but come out. Leave tomorrow. We'll call it tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll call it.
We'll call it tomorrow. You're this party. Come out, man.
You beat one because
I think about it. Why don't forgive me? I'm never gonna argue. But the ear every single day. Come on, man.
Your box are a kicker because
remember your sister there. Please, me
I don't pray past me, man. Remember your sister weird with a name. I remember them. We'll call it tomorrow. Lady, we'll call it tomorrow. It's the first thing, man.
More than all you love the other.
Look for you too.
You don't see the tears in the evil one eyes. Oh, you see the tears in the good one when she
never have a favorite child. I must love all the children as one.
She's gonna be successful now. She's gonna be successful now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. She's gonna be successful somehow. She's gonna be successful somehow. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now.
If you say more food to eat, if you get food to eat, you can't tell me that because only you provide. First thing first, you need to learn to be careful. And second thing, I'm not careful for you, I'm not careful for me. For me, I feel love stronger than your love, that makes sure to me. Hey. You know me, I want to be I must listen to hungry. Mommy! Come to you. How are you? I'm here because you are one.
You don't know what to say. But I also me go get the work. After me call him now, I tell him to me get through. Like that, take on off your head now. I just say somebody dead.
I want to fire already?
Fire me.
So I food then?
Yeah. I'm going to get the kind of feeling, baby. I tell you, say when time I done.
I'm hungry, no mommy.
Look at you, it's like how I'm stressed out. You're going to tap your eyes, you know. I know, say, me down there, I take it one time for the same time I hear somebody come around and ask if you know what, I know if I'm me, when time I look around, I bet you're not going to tell me who.
Oh, who? Oh, when your enemy them or something?
frightened. I listen to me having my hand drop out. I'm frightened. I don't care how me beg you, girl. I don't care how me beg you, girl. Me a beg her, please forgive me, girl. Run me out. But don't tell me say I feel me fault. I got no call on no bad blessing for me. Because yes, you know. I know me always have to go for. I know no call on bad blessing for me.
I'm going to beg her some money.
I'm going to beg her some money. I run the girl, run me out. Run me like dog. I shame so till. The girl run me out. You tell me to cheat.
You never tell me no, you're a liar. You stop at mommy.
I'm slap you with this. You never tell me to cheat nobody better. You girl me always a pick up fine ya. You don't tell me to cheat nobody better.
Sit down, mommy. Sit down, mommy. Sit down.
I try to say, I don't tell her, I say, me a beg her, do just make me stay, cause me want to find food for you know. Y'all still run me out. Still don't know what to do. Me don't know what we are going to do.
Me couldn't never war, you know, nobody cheat me, mother.
No war, you know, so your sister in a big position, y'all have big old house, you know, want somebody to help you now.
So we then?
You want to war, I might clap you with this too. But you want war.
Mommy, all these years, you provide food for her, and did she really do?
Oh, she ungrateful.
She ungrateful, man. Ungrateful.
No, me beg her. All the time me cook nice food for them down there.
So I food.
And I say she run out.
You should run out with the pot. You should have put the pot.
Yes. Run out with which pot? I say, you make the girl come and hang me like that and feel me out there fighting the ball. Run out with pot. You love your belly too much. You hunger. You love your belly too much. And you need hunger. Yeah, I must see me hunger. I come tell me about run with the pot.
But don't try to run with the pot. Make it run.
Run, you still a time to run. Run with which pot? Run with which blinking pot? Come on, please.
Come here, mommy. Come here, mommy. Come go talk to your sister and say she will forgive me. I'm going to just talk to her. Now go down on my knees and apologize.
You should go on like that.
No business. Mommy, I'm telling you all this.
I'm going about come pack business.
I don't pack this time. Remember that she made me drop right there some money? Me tell her say said, you know, after make she give me money, we can go, make him give me money.
Give your money before you talk, say you want good on there and beg the girl. When all I want to go on, we don't before you talk, say you want good on there and beg the girl.
So now I'm telling some of your money and run with it.
What you forget? I slap you with one of them head, girl. When I'm not thief, I run there with friggin' pot. All the on your mind is money, thief, this and food. Girl, go around this up. When you go around this and sit down. When you put sense in the blink again. Pure foolishness, you don't know if you chat. And then you come blame me. You're dramatic. You're telling me I can't walk in the house with you, so you're full of drama here. You're laughing. Hey. If I ever lick you with this,
just sit down and talk to me.
if you try for your face, watch him.
I'm hungry for you, mommy. You should have no. You're lucky when I cook your pussy now. Jammy pussy, I will get dead. Morning, sister. Morning. I feel good this morning. Mom said I look for your sister, but I can't meet you. Like I sick, never go because I really want the money. Where you go? You're only fine. I'll just call mommy and tell mommy to sit and you alone now. Hello? you know. We don't have to buy one cough medicine for you. Can I get the money? What else you want? Alright.
All you see the tears and the good one when she cries. I don't like it. She gonna be successful now. She's gonna be successful now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. She's gonna be successful somehow. She's gonna be successful somehow. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. Now the table of turns.
You know what I'm saying? I'm a sister, me, I look for door that I
Last time I see you when you go on taxi. So I don't know you're talking about here right now. So you don't understand.
So you come with me?
What?
So go look for her.
The house you are describing, my cousin sell that, So me don't think I can have the money to buy that.
No worry, I say me here, she rich. She have money more than me and you. She buck a giant, a lot of man. She a big. You mean she can't afford that the house there? Her man can't afford that the house there. That's why me a grow that I want some of the money for me and my family, you understand? So if you come here, come on.
Lato man, we should have been breed out when we get the first chance. You know, yeah, you can pay me doing it. Okay, go on.
Come on. A big money here, chop off her, you know.
Oh, yeah, sir. Okay.
Thanks, bye.
I just say go.
Thanks, bye. Sis. Hey, sis.
Excuse me? What are you looking for?
You may I look for? Yeah, me sis.
The person I know you're not. Do you know me?
Of course.
I don't know you.
Yeah. Sis.
Sis.
Come on here.
Okay, distance talk, but don't come close. What are you saying?
Me say no.
You miss me? Tell me about it.
Stop playing so. Stop playing hard. Come, give me a hug.
Don't touch me.
You
Don't
know,
touch
say,
me.
You know, say the latter man, did come back and look for you still.
Which latter man are talking about?
The latter man, the Rasta man.
Okay, anything someone know that by now? You don't think someone know
Tell
that?
him nice things, boy. Taste a nice girl. And we don't know if he said.
And saying all those nice stuff, did it help you? Did you receive some of his millions, his cash, what? Did you receive a mansion, what?
No, I'm telling you, I don't want the money. I you if you look for and give the money.
Okay. No hug me. Now because you guys buy the clothes to me, nobody hug me, nobody touch my clothes, nobody touch me. Don't do it. Don't come
Sister,
close.
we're just a miss you still love me.
Love! Big word.
I'm gonna just come clean you now. I saw money want up here that will come down and say, yo, you have all of the bricks them stuck up in this house, yeah. You can't give it somewhere, your family, you know.
You can talk, but don't touch me.
Yo, just stop going someone. You know somewhere your family and we need some money. You need to give me some money.
Wow, interesting.
Yeah, laugh.
I'm coming. Just give me a minute, alright?
You can't come.
No. Hey, if you go inside, I'm not gonna money. Just wait outside, alright? Give me a second.
Hurry up, guys, so hard.
Sister.
So now she's gonna be successful now. She's gonna be successful now. She's gonna be successful now. Wicked mother, wicked that. No face the judgment, show as a shining sun. She's gonna be she gonna be successful now. She's gonna be successful now. She's gonna be successful now. She's gonna be successful now. We keep.
Girl, stop playing. Play around and bring money down to me.
I won't give you not even a dime.
Why?
Not even a cent I won't give you. Anyways, I'm busy inside with my husband working on a baby. Goodbye.
Oh, I get a niece already.
And do not return to my house. This is not your house.
You're like, kill me. Sorry about that.
I tell her. Rough, but. Yeah, we know. Hold on.
Yo, Papa.
Hold on, man. We are coming. Listen now.
Ah, go on. No, one thing with the country keep on still.
Where are you from?
No, say still. Somebody kill my sister, and I know who kill her. So me dey ask you say, if you don't know no good of your man, if you can't come go and good of your man multi-place, yeah.
Who be a man? I'm right, yo. I'm right, yo. You have money?
Yeah, man, me have money, but I have to go feed and come back.
Well, have money and come back, man.
Alright, so come back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where's the other one?
Whitney. I'm easy, Adrian.
What happened?
Bring inside.
In the room.
Like, if you can call her for me, please.
Yeah, there come. No. Hi.
Can I come in? Mosquito bite out here, you know, Brittany.
So my sister and my friend veranda too.
No.
Alright, anyways, come.
Yeah, that's something you want to talk to you about.
Hold up. You're going in. You're going in.
Look at you, I'm saying, there's a company around man. I get to finally find out what really happened to my sister. I hear say, I go there and go there for rob her.
Oh, Jesus.
But when they go there for rob her now, they don't find where they go for, they don't find the money there, cause she had the money inside her private part. You know that they say happen, cause they say when they do autopsy, they find out so she had it up inside her side. That's why they couldn't find out, cause I go there go see place chaka you know.
Mama did come there too. I can't believe you said that really happened to my best friend. I know right now I made a tear off of it, but I don't know what else to do. So tell me more, what more I know?
What my man say? You will ever kill my sister? I'll go see her for 9 years. You see after the 9 years there? Now we're dead.
Eh?
So how you look so?
Come like me get your flu, man.
What kind of flu then?
And the flu we are growing nowadays. Anyways, so not curing the feet.
Cured? More call it cured. But you see if them confess, them are go good.
Oh.
Yeah. But you see if after the 9 days they are not confess, they are going to pronounce.
Pronounce? Dead?
Yeah. You see I'm happy if you gradually dead too.
Never dead, man. My best friend dead.
Well, my sister dead. I just came some.
Actually, I never really bathed this morning.
Oh, well, my sister did not go so, but you see, whoever kill her, oh, feel. Yeah?
Feel, not my best friend did not go so. They won't feel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, feel. I'm good on you and come back still.
Yeah.
Take care, yeah?
Feel. You will feel it. I want to let that go. My sister that just don't know that. So I'm gonna say that's why I have to be careful now for know who I want to go out with. You know say more for the maid for me. Oh, I guess I got something good there to me. Then girl look for me here. Yeah, my sister man, you don't have to go on so. So you look so. How me look? Nice. Anyways, we have buy already, so I'm going to tell me here for me. Finger ain't kind of faded. I know. Understand. I want to. I don't want to feel good. I feel good. Sister, I want to me. What move on? I want to, hon. If you're dead, they can't move. I want me on them. But you... Want it? Sis. Want you? I don't want to me. I feel good. Help me now. Help me. Go by now. Stop now. No. Jesus Christ. Help me, please. No problem, Mommy. So, help me, no. Sis. Oh, we are there. No problem, no problem. No, feel good. No. Take me up, take me up, no. The ground cold. Take me up, please, no. Wait there. Wait there. Sis. Get up. Sis.
Yeah, man. Glory be to the Most High. Give thanks, life, burn down to the ground. Face to face. Hear the voice, you know who it is. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So, you just don't watch the second part of the movie. We have one more part left. The third part, we part everything come to an end. And you go get that in the new year. So, today now, we are Lego this one and today. So, have a happy New Year's Eve. And going into the new year positive. You know what I mean? So, you can there and chill out and watch it. If the road is too violent, this time it's too cold. Enough respect. Go and watch this and entertain yourself and leave a comment. You know what I mean? We try our best and we just put you in the work. You know what I mean? So do the best you can do on your side. You know what I mean? Because positivity will say straight through. So this are evil and wicked people. Part 2 ending. So look out for part 3. Stay tuned. Watch it. Go walk.
Take it up, take it up, take it up. Curious King. We all have a problem. JAMMIWOOD. Check it up, check it up, check it up. Solve the problem. It's not right, it's not right. It's not right, not right. You love one more than all you love the other. You beat one because of issue you got with the father. You beat her with belt, sometime you fight her. You box or you kick her because you not like her. Many times she go to bed without food because you was spite her. You love one more than all you love the other. You don't see the tears in the evil one eyes. All you see the tears in the good one when she cries. I don't like it. She gonna be successful now. She's gonna be successful now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. She's gonna be successful somehow. She's gonna be successful somehow. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. Now the table of turns. I guess in this life you live and you learn. Watch the bridges them while you burn. Please, my dear, please wait your turn. You're a wicked, wicked, wicked woman. You're a wicked, wicked, wicked woman. You can't use somebody fat fry your own daughter. no, you can't do that to her. She deserves something better. She gonna be successful now. She's gonna be successful now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. She gonna be successful somehow. She's gonna be successful somehow. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. If you never got the fear, she wouldn't come. She wouldn't come if no juice never run. Be careful, oh, because the problem will never done. You're gonna face the judgment, sure as a shining sun. She's gonna be, yeah. She gonna be successful now. She's gonna be successful now. She's gonna be successful now. She's gonna be successful now. Wicked mother, wicked dada. Don't hurt the kids, I'm no abuse, no abuse. I'm tired of this when I watch the news. Come on, come on, come on. Not if the road no go on good. Not take a board, not down your daughter. I lick out the